Alright guys, so I did scan the system and I got the front left sensor fault, which is this guy right here. But the good thing is we have 4 of them up front and they're all the same. So what I'm gonna do next is just swap the faulty one to a new one and then rescan the system, and then let's see if the code will jump on the passenger side. Let's do that. Okay, so where is it? Oh, I think that's right up there. This is it. This is the one causing the problem. Alright guys, so to remove this, you have to spread those 2 clips. This clip and then the one up there. Then you can just like push this thing out. Okay guys, so here's the faulty one, and I'm going to do the same steps to remove this one and swap that. Alright guys, so I got this thing out. This is the one came out from the passenger side, and this is the bad one. Now I'm gonna go install this here and rescan the system. Okay guys, so we're back inside the car. My VCI is still connected. Start it up. The problem still exists. Now let's go scan it. Our code earlier is on the left side, but now the scanner is seeing the right side. So we have a faulty sensor here. Alright guys, so here is the sensor, and the part number is K95720A9000MVN. Alright, let's go open this up. Alright guys, so I am just going to transfer that sensor on the passenger side and install the new one on the driver's side. Okay guys, so I'm back inside the car. My VCM is still connected. Let's find out if we fix this thing. Well, so far so good guys. Let's try it again. I don't have that warning chime going on. Awesome. I scan the VCM once again. I don't have any more code. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.